It's real windy, but what's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So today's video is Thrifting for Gold number 29 I believe. I don't know, we're at Goodwill, it's Saturday. You know we're looking for that dollar tag day. I believe it's gonna be purple. So we'll cut this intro, do this montage, show you guys the haul like usual. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
I'm glad you finally made it. So we had a short time and everything.
I know, no,
super late.
I know.
See you next Saturday at
The morning.
9 o'clock, yes, we'll be here bright and early.
Full time.
Thank you. Yeah, you have a good one. Okay. Just got you want to flip that up? Thank you. We just got out of there. Got our bag of goodies. Spent $6 whole. So we'll go home, show you guys what we got. Okay, so we're home now. We're gonna film this outside because it's such nice weather. And Finn obviously just wants to sit next to us. So we're gonna put B-roll up of the stuff that we got, but we're gonna break into this bag. What did we get? 6 things.
Yeah,
so
only 6 today.
not that big of a haul, but still want to show you guys what we got. So first thing, oh, you'll like this.
Oh yay!
I got an Eddie Bauer.
Yay.
So super nice button up, like,
it's like
corduroy.
yeah.
So, and I double checked for all the buttons, no stains or anything.
Nice.
So to find this for $1, we'll take it. Super excited. Next on the bag, what is this?
It's this. I don't know the brand, but I'm not really sure of the brand, but it's BT2, but it's like a lace sheer cover-up. I thought that was pretty cute for like Poshmark or something. I think it would go well for it. It was only $1, so.
Okay, not bad. So then, oh, I found this Nautica, just like long sleeve, super nice, no stains or anything. Figured to go with it because $1 for a Nautica, why pass it up? So then next in the bag.
Yes, next in the bag is a Banana Republic shirt that I found for $1. I figured this would also go well for Poshmark. It's got some sequins and it's really soft. It's like cashmere, so.
Yeah, when we go in the thrift store, I go to the men's section, Kristina goes to the women's, so we don't even know what we get sometimes each. And then last 2 things in the bag, I believe, are from you.
Oh, really? Alright, this is an Express shirt. It's like an off-the-shoulder, just sequiny shirt. It was $1, so Express, like we said, does really well for us with women.
We've always had really nice success with Express.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, and then last in this bag, so the final thing.
This might be the most lit one we found today.
Oh, nice.
It's juicy.
Oh, wow, not bad.
But it's like an old juicy. But if you look, it's like an old juicy tag.
Oh, cool. So you guys are seeing that as I'm seeing it, but really nice Juicy Couture. So have we sold Juicy before?
Backpacks, yes.
Yes.
Clothes, no. But I actually just saw a tip from Dom, the Primetime Treasure Hunter, to sell Juicy with big like letters that stand out. Which
nice.
That right there.
That's exactly what this is.
So fingers crossed.
So actually, I'll grab these. That was our small haul today. So we go to Goodwill every Saturday to look for the dollar tag day because they mark all the tags down to $1 for clothing. Anything else in the store is 50% off, but we generally just stick to the clothing because we like to sell clothing. So that was our haul, that was our video, that's what we're sourcing this week. So, thank you for watching. We know it was a smaller haul, but hey, you can't win them all.
Nope.
So, till next video, peace guys, go crush it.
There's a dog hanging out that window. Why didn't you tell me? There's a dog in the back seat too. Cute doggy.
Yeah, we go home, we can film this and then pizza should be good. Well, laundry should be good, then pizza should be good.
Yes.
You know I never meant to let you down. That person
Oh my gosh, I saw.
Old man was like, oh, don't go around.
Punch bag, no punch bag. I haven't seen that punch bag in so long. Thank you for being back.
That grandpa though.
I know.
I'll go over then. Boom, what the f was that? Boom, oh. There's someone in that tree.
There is somebody in the tree.
What?
I said there is somebody in the tree. Little doggies.
White puffers.
White poofers. Can't wait to have laundry again.
Oh, I hate these shorts.
It's been so long.
You're supposed to keep up on it every day.
I know. Then I slacked. I fell into a slump. So did our eBay store. Everything. I'm just recording myself until we get home.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You look like a potato.
I know, it's just been of this angle of my head the whole time.
I was just having fast forward with no audio, just bobbing back and forth.
It's alright. Sometimes my eyes get real wide. Oh, the fin man. I will switch it for that. Hello, fin man. It won't focus. BT2, but it's like a lace sheer cover up. I thought that was pretty cute for like Poshmark or something. I think it would go well for it. It was only $1, so.
Okay, not bad.